Hello traders, today we're going to take a look at the roadmap. The market just opened up and I already see an awesome opportunity to go long at 56 here on the roadmap software. Now this happened right before the market opened, so I wasn't able to take advantage of it. And here we are now where it's about 10 o'clock, and typically I like to trade after the market opens at 10 o'clock or after 10 o'clock because we have more stability in the marketplace unless there's a news event. Now before we begin, before we see what exactly is going on, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. So right now, as you see it, the market is hitting and just surpassed a roadmap zone. So consider this to be trade number one right after 10 o'clock Eastern New York time, an opportunity to go short. Now, it's really important you understand why we're going short. We're going short because the market surpassed the roadmap zone, and not only that, it closed on the opposite side. So it really tells us that the market is strong, that the zone isn't holding. So it's very clear on the reasoning behind it, and the reason why I went short here at this level, because it went through the zone. So really straightforward, going short. Now, we have two options. When the market goes through the zone, we have an opportunity to go and continue in the same direction, but we also have a situation where it lands in the zone and reverses. So if you ever look back at the prior videos, they're all the same. The videos show the exact same situation happening over and over and over again, where it lands in the zone and either reverses or breaks through it. Now I want to show you a few more trades using the roadmap so you can see that this is not just a one signal or one opportunity type of method. The next zone, zone B down, is where the candles and the price is trading. That being said, I don't know if the market's going to go through it or if it's going to reverse off of it, but I do wait for confirmation. There's a trade scalper signal there on top of that. 56.60 quarter is a trade scalper signal. It's telling us to go short. Now before entering short, this is the same for all the traders that are in the live trading room or that have the method. They know this already. Wait until it breaks through the zone, which it just did by a tick. I want to make sure that there's a little bit more proof before jumping in short. So short would be the right thing to do. It's breaking and going lower. All of the traders that have the roadmap should know this already. It's a short opportunity. We're short. It's very simple. It broke the zone. It's continuing lower. The entry is short, short, short. Now, look at the ATR. Take a look at the next zone as a profit target. Take 4 ticks, take a point, take $100, take $300, but exit the trade once you've made some type of profit. Now we're looking at the next short. I'm going to take this short here because once again it broke through the zone. Again, that's the same rule. Went through the zone C. I want to enter short. I want to have a profit target. I want to get out of the trade. I want to have a stop. If I get stopped out, that's fine. But in this case, it went and hit the target. So there are already 3 trades, I believe, that are successful using a combination of the roadmap. And I had that trade scalper signal to give us just a little bit more extra confirmation. Let me add the data series and show you the exact entries. Now I'm not finished yet. It's only 10:10, so it's only been about 10, maybe 15 minutes at the most that we've been really looking at the market and focusing on the roadmap. I want to see another opportunity and I want to show you it. The next zone down would be zone D to the short side. Do the same thing. Lands in the zone, goes through the zone, we're short. If it reverses and starts to climb back up, which is going to occur at this point as we hit into some type of support, there's a ledge there that's forming where we have a lot of wicks. One thing you should know that when you see a lot of candles at the same price with wicks, it's indicating that there's some support. Not only that, it's on the doorstep of the X5 trade. So now the market is reversing. What do? We wait, we're patient. The next trade will have to be either a long, where it breaks through the zone to the upside, or if it lands in the zone and reverses, we'll have a short signal. It's very simple. In this case, I believe it just went to the edge. Yes, that's the edge of the zone. Not enough for me to go long. Wait until it breaks. You can have a stop order at 56, 57, let's say 56, 57, right? A couple ticks just above the zone, have a stop order. You can have a limit order. As soon as it breaks the zone, hit it with a limit so you don't have any slippage. You can go in at market, another opportunity. You can use the E-mini S&P or the micro E-mini. It doesn't really matter. And if you want to use a tick chart or a minute chart, it's fine. I prefer minute chart, but I know a lot of traders like tick charts or range charts when using the roadmap. That's absolutely fine. I don't see a problem with that, because remember, what we're looking at is price. We're not looking at anything except for the price closing above these zones. There it is. A couple ticks above the zone, entered long. Very simple, just a couple of ticks. I want to see I missed that target. I'm going to hold it, and I have the stop. So remember, keep your stops, keep your target, and have a little patience. Usually we hold on to trades for no longer than 15-20 minutes. On a 1 minute chart, maybe a little bit less. Okay, so it continued higher, hit the target. The same exact rules as I did to the short side are the same exact rules that I'm showing you to the long side. Same rules. Now if it goes and continues higher through zone B, that's my next opportunity to be a buyer. Now I've already taken here, in the matter of 20 minutes that the market's been trading, a number of trades, maybe 4 or 5 trades that I've seen. It's plenty. You don't need a lot of signals. I also think that you should pick and choose the trades that make sense if the market is too volatile, if the market's too slow, if there's a news event, if Powell is speaking, then we have a situation where we may want to hold off. So just be aware of those news events when the Fed is speaking. Now, remember what I said to you earlier about the wicks? There's a couple of candles here that are showing me resistance. There's a bunch of wicks that are unable to continue higher. It's showing me that something is happening as far as resistance, and there's a roadmap short signal. So now you have a signal to go short. I'm not going to take this. There's plenty of trades already that are under my belt. I don't want to take this short, but that short roadmap 56.59 is really another opportunity for those of you who have the roadmap. You should have these same signals whether you're using NinjaTrader or TradingView. These signals should be very similar. Now, if you have any questions, we include the roadmap with accelerated mentorship. Get all the software with lifetime licenses with accelerated mentorship. If you're a struggling trader and want to learn more about how to successfully look at the markets, understand the markets, Day Trade to Win may be the right fit for you. Until next time, good trading. For traders who want to learn more, join us live every day. We have a live trading room, especially for our members using TradingView and NinjaTrader. We cover the roadmap, we cover price action, the trade scalper, the Atlas line. It's all included. Check out the links below, watch the next video, and visit daytradetowin.com to learn more.